Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on a Motorola Moto E22. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being right here. Next is located on top of the screen, and that's a focal speaker. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And I can already confirm that the sound was coming from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.